A refrigerated microcentrifuge is a compact laboratory device designed for rapid separation of small volumes, 0.22 milliliters, of liquid samples. It is equipped with cooling capabilities that maintain precise temperature control during centrifugation, essential for temperature-sensitive samples such as nucleic acids, proteins, and cell lysates. Features and applications. Temperature control. Maintains temperatures down to -20 degrees C, ensuring sample stability. High speed. Operates at speeds up to 15,000 RPA for efficient separation. Safety features. Automatic lid closure and safety interlocks prevent accidents. These centrifuges are commonly used in molecular biology, biochemistry, and clinical diagnostics for applications like nucleic acid purification, separating DNA and RNA, protein precipitation, removing insoluble proteins, cell pelleting, concentrating cells. Choosing the right refrigerated microcentrifuge. Temperature range. Ensure the centrifuge can maintain the required temperature. Capacity. Choose a model fitting the volume of your samples. Speed range.